Hi guys, Amy Hunt here. I would like to invite you guys to a webinar. My webinar is going to be about drop shipping and how to find products that you can sell online anywhere. So if you have a store on eBay, even if you have a store on Amazon, Shopify, your own website, whatever it might be, I'm going to teach you how to use this software to find niches, how to use the keywords, how to dig down in those keywords, how to list that into the listing that you have either on eBay or Amazon, how to find trending products. All these things we're going to cover in the webinar. I hope you join me. I've been doing this since the year 2003. I've sold on eBay, I've sold on Amazon, I've branded items, I sell my own products, I order from afar, I manufacture things, and it's all because I have information that is given to me through this software. So I'm confident that what I find, I will sell. So check it out somewhere on the screen, sign up for the webinar, and I look forward to chatting with you. So bring your questions and I'll do my best to try to help you out and get you moving in the direction you want to go. Thanks for watching, guys. My name is Amy Hunt and hope to see you soon.